So what are the things we need? So I'm going to first create one function name. Okay, the function name, within that you need to initiate the username. So username equals to get key username. So this is how it will set, and you need to check whether the username is empty or not. So that we already know. So we know it from the form validation, right? So username, if it is not equals to, then what happens? So it will throw some message. So I'll take it as an alert message. So in the alert message, I'm telling, so uh, welcome user name. So what is the username? So we're just getting this information. So this is how it will be. And else, so we already have the name. Then what we can do? So what you have to do is just go else, and this place username here, you need to mention equals to prompt, and please enter your name. So I'm asking the user to enter the name here. So, and if again, if the username is not equal to empty, ampersand, username is not equals to null, then what happens? So you need to set the cookies. If it is not, both the things is going to be, is not equal, then you need to set the cookie. So set cookie, what you will set, you need to set the username, so how many days it is going to be valid. So this username is going to valid for this time period. I'm giving some 365 days, then I'm closing it. So this is how you need to check the cookie. I hope you all cleared with this. So how to check, and how to get the cookies, and how to set the cookies. So these are the things we need to follow. Okay. And next, this is a very important thing. So how we are going to create a Java file. So first we'll understand the initialization. Okay. Go to Java Oracle. So this is the page, just click on this. Okay, so I'll share the link as well, the chat box, or okay, I'll share it in the chat box itself. So there is a, okay, so here I will share it. So this is a link to download your Java file. I'll tell you what are the methods you have to follow. Okay, so here you come down on this page, you can see some two things, right? Java 19 and Java 17 is there. So I'm going to download Java 19. Okay, so come down. In this, you have three OS. As of now, my OS is Windows. So that I have clicked Windows. If you are using Linux or Mac OS, just go there. Okay, it is not default, you should use Windows. And here you can see installer, right? So this you have to click on this, automatically your file gets downloaded. Okay, once you have downloaded, you can see it in the download file. You have to double click on this. Okay, but what are the steps? I'll just send the video link. Okay, so it is very simple. You have to click double time. Okay, so if you click on the, or double click on that particular software, so it goes to, you have to click on next, next, next. That's it. So everything is done. Okay, so after this installation, so I have downloaded, so you have to double click on this, you can see that. Okay, so after installing that, what I have to do, you need to set a path. So see here, so I'll tell you the steps. What so for the installation process, save as Java installation. Okay. So Java installation. So this is the link you have to go. So after downloading, you need to install. Okay. So you should double click on the file. Okay. And you need to go to next and install. That's it. It will get installed. And the second step is just go to the Windows button. You click on Windows button. Here you need to type edit. So you can see the edit system variables, right? So here you need to go to the edit environmental variable. Okay, so you need to go to this place. So I'll tell you. So edit. This is the thing which I want to go. So here you have to assign two things. So one is a path. So you have to click on this. You need to set a new path. Okay. So here a new path. You need to set the path. So path is nothing but your file gets saved in the C program files Java JDK bin. So you need to copy this. So if your file is saving in some different place, please make a note of it. But this is the path you have to set. Okay. And once you have done, you need to click on OK and just close it off. And then next you need to check whether this Java file has been installed or not. So how we need to check is just go to the command prompt. Okay. So see here, just clicking on command prompt. Here you can see the path. So here I will type Java hyphen version. So you can see the version I have saved, that is 19.0.1. So this is how you will check. So the what is the you know command path is Java hyphen version. So this is the thing. And once you installed, you need to create one empty file. Okay. And how we can run the code. So that I will tell you. And once again, we need, so most of the developers are working in the Eclipse. So Eclipse is a platform that most of the developers are working. So there are some different like NetBeans also there, but most of the 80 percentage they are using Eclipse. So we need to install Eclipse. So just go here, Eclipse, click on this. I'll share you this link as well. This is for Eclipse installation. So here you need to go to this download. Okay. So I'll tell you. So this is, so here you need to click on download. Okay. Just click on the download. And here, and the file is getting downloaded. Okay. So here is my file is downloading. So it is taking some time to download. Okay, while it is downloading, we'll see how to create one new Java file. So I already have done with the Java. So where is Java coding? So this is my simple file. Okay, so I'm opening it in a notepad. So what I've done is, see here, this is the public, is the access modifier. So that is access specifier. So there are different things, so public, private and protected, that will come to know on the tomorrow class session. Okay, so as of now we'll know what is Eclipse, how we are going to install our Eclipse and Java and the basic coding and how we are going to run that. Okay, so see here in this public access modifier, and this is the class and this is the class name I have mentioned. So here in the public static void main. So in this place, so what is the thing is, if it is a main class, whatever the main class you going to use, or how we are going to see the outputs, then you need to use this one. It's a main string method. Okay. So here system out dot println is, I already told you, right? Input and output. So input means you have to showcase your output, then you need to use this println. So see here, this is a file and I have saved it in a file save as. You can see the file. I have saved it in a .java. So how we are going to, how we have saved that JavaScript as a .html, right? In the same case, now here I'm going to save it as a .java. Okay. So let's go to the command prompt. So here, see here, I'll tell you one thing. Actually, my file is in the D drive, okay, but I am in the different folder, right? I'm in the different folder. So what I have to do is I need to move on to that folder. So how I can move? So you need to mention D colon. So it is in the D drive, okay. And I need to move on to this Java coding. So CD Java coding codings. Okay. So now I'm in this file. So now we need to give Java C. And what is the file name? It is attendance. So, so it is compiled. Now I need to run the file. So Java attendance. So you can see the output as hello everyone. Okay. So you can see the name as hello everyone. So this is how you'll be getting an output in the normal command prompt, and how we can do it in the Eclipse. It is also one kind of editor. So if you just double click on this, I'll tell you the steps. So double click on the file and install it. Okay. So in the installation process, it will ask what you're going to choose. So in that point, you need to choose a Java developer. Okay. I'll, so you have to choose this. Once you've done that, what happens? See here, I'll get this one. Okay, so here how I'm going to install the thing. So just go here, file, new. So here you need to mention the project. So I'm just clicking a new project. So we'll save it in Java. So what is the project name is? I'll give some details. So details is my project name. Okay. So don't do anything. Keep as it is. Everything is correct. So just click on. Wait a minute. Okay, just click on next. Finish. So where is detail? So here is a detail. So you can see some two folders. That is JRE GRS Java runtime environment, it has a class libraries, right? So that it will be stored here, but where we are going to do the project. So in this, you need to create a file. So here I will delete this. I don't want this. Here you need to click, right click. So new class. I'm going to create a new class. So the class name, it's going to be percentage. Okay. So I need a public static void main. Just click on this and click finish. Once you've done this, you will have this template. Before in Notepad, you will not be getting any templates. Okay. So just remove this. Here, you need to mention what is the simple. So here I'll give a simple coding as system.out.println. So this is the statement. And here I'm going to give some name. Foundation session for LC college. Okay, this is a statement. So this is the output I'm going to get. So now what you have to do is just go to this run, click on this run. At the bottom, you can see the output. So foundation session for Rayalaseema College. So this is the output you will get. Are you clear with this topic, guys? Everyone? This, I hope
Yes,
you would
ma'am.
have understood. Good. So you would have understood. So how to uh, create a Java class both in a normal notepad and also in Eclipse. Okay, so just practice this. Please practice this because so mostly whatever the technologies, it may be in an Android phone or whatever the thing. So they are using Java coding. So if we are good in this, if you know the what are the different versions we are using and what are the things, what is class and objects method, you'll be well and good and you can easily get placed. Okay, so please understand that and complete it. Okay, so from on tomorrow's class, you need to complete all these installation process and you have to come. Okay, if you have any sort of doubts, you can ask to me. So till now, do you have any doubts? I'll put it in the chat box itself so that you can pick it up. These are the steps you need to follow. And if you want, the PPT, I will also share that PPT. So I've downloaded it. So we'll share it in the WhatsApp group as well. Kindly follow this, and if you have any sort of doubts, you can contact me. And I'm going to take the session for your college for the final years. Okay, so please be connected. Give me 1 minute. And from tomorrow classes, you should be thorough with this. And on the next class, we'll know what is class, objects, methods, and what is data, what are the different data types, and how we can find that. So we'll probably complete within that is coming Monday. So we'll be trying to complete the portions of this Java alone. And also kindly inform your friends to join the sessions on daily basis. As you can see, you guys are in a good attendance percentage, so please maintain that.